Are you looking to make shopping faster and more convenient for your customers? With buy again and repeat orders by Market Push apps, shoppers can easily reorder their past purchases with just one click, enhancing convenience and driving repeat sales. Logged-in site visitors can quickly reorder individual products or even repeat an entire past order with just one click. The app is available in the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Installing the app on your Wix site is quick and easy. Go to the App Market and search for Buy Again and Repeat Orders. Click Add to Site. Once installed, add the widget via the Add Elements menu by dragging it to your desired location. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it to cover the full page. To edit the widget, click on Buy Again and Repeat Orders settings. Here you can choose which elements to display or hide, such as the title, the visitor's username, or the subtitle. We can also change the title. The username placeholder automatically loads the visitor's name. We can select which tab to edit here. The widget is fully customizable to match your site's design. By simply double-clicking here, we can change the text inside the button. We can also change the color of the button. The font and style of any element can be changed by simply double-clicking on it. You can monitor the performance of the app with detailed statistics. This data gives you valuable insight into your best performing products and helps you measure how much impact the Buy Again and Repeat Orders app is having on your sales. Once you've finished editing the widget, do not forget to save and publish to preserve your editing. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely. And feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching.